The influence of wooden crafts on modern interior decor is profound and multifaceted, reflecting a growing appreciation for craftsmanship, natural materials, and sustainability that resonates deeply with contemporary aesthetics and values. In recent years, there has been a noticeable shift towards incorporating handmade wooden items into living spaces, as homeowners and designers alike seek to create environments that are not only visually appealing, but also imbued with a sense of warmth and authenticity. This trend stems from the desire to move away from the cold, impersonal feel of mass-produced furniture and decor, instead embracing the unique qualities that handcrafted wooden items offer. Each piece of wooden craft carries its own story, character, and texture, making it a conversation starter and a focal point within a room. The natural variations in wood grain, color, and texture contribute to a distinct aesthetic that can complement various design styles, from rustic and farmhouse to modern minimalist and Scandinavian. Moreover, wooden crafts have become synonymous with sustainability, an increasingly important consideration in modern interior design. As consumers become more conscious of their environmental impact, there is a growing demand for products that are eco-friendly and responsibly sourced. Many artisans prioritize using reclaimed wood or sustainably harvested timber, which not only minimizes waste, but also promotes a more sustainable approach to crafting. This commitment to sustainability resonates with individuals who seek to create a home environment that reflects their values and supports ethical practices. Incorporating wooden crafts into interior decor allows homeowners to make a statement about their commitment to the planet while surrounding themselves with beautiful, functional pieces that enhance their living spaces. The rustic charm of reclaimed wood, for example, adds a layer of history and character to a home, evoking a sense of nostalgia and connection to nature that is increasingly sought after in modern design. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden crafts project ideas for the modern interior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to their aesthetic and environmental benefits, wooden crafts also offer unparalleled versatility in design. Artisans can create a wide range of items, from furniture and cabinetry to decorative accents and wall art, each tailored to fit specific spaces and tastes. This adaptability allows for a seamless integration of wooden crafts into various aspects of interior decor, whether as statement pieces or subtle accents. A handcrafted wooden dining table can serve as the centerpiece of a dining room, while intricately carved wall hangings can add visual interest to a living room or hallway. The ability to customize these pieces further enhances their appeal, as homeowners can collaborate with artisans to create one-of-a-kind items that perfectly fit their dimensions, style, and functionality requirements. This level of personalization not only elevates the overall design, but also fosters a deeper connection between the owner and the crafted items, as they become integral components of the home. The influence of wooden crafts on modern interior decor also extends to the emotional and psychological aspects of living spaces. Research has shown that natural materials, including wood, can have a positive impact on well-being, contributing to a sense of calm and comfort within a home. The tactile nature of wooden items invites interaction, encouraging individuals to engage with their surroundings in a more meaningful way. The warmth of wood can create a welcoming atmosphere that promotes relaxation and social interaction, making it an ideal choice for spaces designed for gathering and connection. In an age where technology and fast-paced lifestyles often dominate, The incorporation of wooden crafts into interior decor serves as a reminder of the importance of slowing down, appreciating craftsmanship, and nurturing relationships. Furthermore, the rise of social media and digital platforms has played a significant role in the resurgence of interest in wooden crafts and their impact on interior decor. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest have provided a space for artisans to showcase their work, inspiring individuals to incorporate handmade wooden items into their homes. As these platforms celebrate creativity and individuality, they encourage homeowners to explore unique design ideas and seek out artisanal pieces that resonate with their personal style. This visibility has led to a renewed appreciation for the artistry involved in woodworking, highlighting the skill and dedication required to create high-quality wooden crafts. As a result, consumers are increasingly inclined to invest in handmade items that not only enhance their living spaces, but also support local artisans and small businesses. The influence of wooden crafts is also evident in the growing trend of biophilic design, which emphasizes the connection between nature and interior spaces. Wooden items inherently embody this principle as they bring the beauty of the outdoors into the home. By incorporating wooden crafts, designers can create environments that evoke a sense of tranquility and harmony, fostering well-being and a deeper connection to the natural world. This design philosophy encourages the use of organic shapes, natural textures, and earthy color palettes, all of which can be beautifully complemented by the warmth of wood. Whether it's a wooden coffee table adorned with plants or a series of wooden shelves showcasing nature-inspired decor, the integration of wooden crafts enhances the overall aesthetic while promoting a lifestyle that values nature and sustainability. Additionally, the accessibility of woodworking has expanded, allowing more individuals to engage in crafting and design. Online tutorials, workshops, and community maker spaces have made it easier for enthusiasts to explore their creativity and develop their woodworking skills. This democratization of craftsmanship has led to a flourishing community of DIYers and hobbyists who are eager to create their own wooden decor items. As more people take on woodworking projects, they contribute to the growing trend of personalized home decor, resulting in unique pieces that reflect individual stories and experiences. This shift towards self-expression through handmade crafts adds a layer of authenticity to modern interiors, reinforcing the idea that a home should be a reflection of its inhabitants. The influence of wooden crafts on modern interior decor also aligns with the principles of slow living, which prioritize mindfulness and intentionality in daily life. By choosing to incorporate handcrafted wooden items, individuals embrace a lifestyle that values quality over quantity, encouraging a deeper appreciation for the things that surround them. This philosophy resonates with the desire to create spaces that foster connection, creativity, and authenticity. In a world filled with disposable items and fast fashion, wooden crafts serve as a reminder of the beauty of craftsmanship and the importance of investing in enduring, meaningful pieces. The celebration of handmade wooden decor not only enriches the aesthetic of modern interiors, but also reinforces a sense of purpose and care in the choices we make for our homes. In conclusion, the influence of wooden crafts on modern interior decor is a reflection of a broader cultural shift towards sustainability, authenticity, and personal expression. As individuals increasingly seek to create spaces that resonate with their values and aesthetics, the incorporation of handcrafted wooden items offers a compelling solution. From the warmth and versatility of wood to its ecological benefits and emotional resonance, wooden crafts have become integral to contemporary design. They encourage a deeper connection to our surroundings, foster meaningful relationships, and inspire a lifestyle that values craftsmanship and sustainability. As the trend continues to evolve, the impact of wooden crafts on modern interiors will undoubtedly shape the way we think about and engage with our living spaces, reaffirming the importance of beauty, quality, and authenticity in our homes. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden crafts project ideas for the modern interior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.